G'day folks, my name's Simon. I'd like to welcome you back to my channel, where each week I bring you motorcycle related content. Today, I'm actually out in a local state forest and I'm going to set up some new camping equipment that I got just to try it out. So let's get on with it, shall we? So I've got the tarp up, I've only got it secured on the back edge and I've just simply flipped the other side of it over at the moment because, well, it's not raining, it's not going to rain, and I'm not setting this up for an overnight stay, I'm just setting it up to try it out. Well, through the magic of recording, it's all up. So I won't say that the hammock is the best quality out there. It certainly doesn't have a dual layered bottom that you can put like a what do they even call them? Bum quilt into. It doesn't have the ability to do that, but it does have a little phone pocket in there. It's got its own stuff sack to go into here. Comes with all of the bits and pieces required to put it up, so that's not too bad. I'm not unimpressed. I'm actually really quite impressed with the fact that it's its own little stuff sack there. So the next little bit of fun that I've got here is another camp necessity that I'm really going to need on my 5-week adventure. So I figured it was worth shelling out the money for something decent because, and again, this actually only arrived today, so I've not even ever unpacked it. But according to what it shows on the website for it, I should simply be able to do this with it a few times. Oops. And I figured after one of my last camping expeditions, I literally would have loved one of these. So I figured to hell with it. I'll go out and I'll buy it because I'm sure I will get use out of it. I don't actually need this base on here. This is for if you're setting up, say at the beach or something, but I just want to try everything out from scratch. Oh, I see. You can loop that over there as well and all sorts of fun shit. So have you worked out what it is yet? Ta-da! Obviously, it's a chair. See if it's big enough for my fat ass to fit into it. So this particular brand is supposed to be capable of supporting larger people 300 pounds is what it says on the website. Find out in a moment, I guess, won't we? Here comes the big test. Well, that's actually not bad. I wasn't sure it was going to actually work. I'm quite happy with that. I mean, it is a bit larger than what I would like to have had to carry on the bike, but it's okay. Yeah, it's quite comfy for, you know, a bare basic seat. It definitely does the job. So folks, today's video was going to be a little bit long again, so I've decided to split it into two parts. Excuse a little bit of a voiceover here, but the next part of this will be up on Saturday, and that'll be having a look at some of the kitchen equipment that I've got in preparation for my 5-week journey that actually starts this weekend. So I'm really looking forward to that. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Come along and join me for the ride. It's going to be a great, fun trip.